Today, I'm going to show you how to make this easy 4-ingredient, no-bake cream cheese dessert with raspberries. It makes a creamy, dreamy mousse dessert. And I've written a blog post, which I will leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this easy dessert a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. Start by pouring a cup of cream into a bowl. I'm just using plain fresh Irish cream. You can use heavy, whipping, double, really just depends. Anything you can whip into whipped cream that you like to use, that is what you can use here. So yeah, that was a cup of cream, and now just whip it until you've got just starting to form whipped cream. Okay, it's just starting to kind of sort of thicken, and I'm going to add in my sweetness now. I'm just going to go for 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add stevia, whatever you like. So 1 and 2. So now just whip that in. You got beautiful whipped cream. I don't like to over whip it at this stage because we're still going to add cream cheese and whip that. You don't want to kind of over whip the cream, so it's looking nice and creamy to me. So I'm going to add in the whole little tub of cream cheese, and we'll whip that in until it's lovely and creamy. Oh, look at that beautiful creamy mousse. And now it is totally up to you with the raspberries, how you're going to deal with them. I've chopped most of the punnet up. I've left a few whole to keep as decoration. Now I'm going to just whisk some of them in and then fold in the rest. So some of the raspberries will get completely infused, some will be inside. You'll get a pop of raspberry, and then we'll have some on top for decoration too. So we'll just whisk that in. We've got a beautiful soft pink colour, and now I'll move the beaters off and just fold the rest of the raspberries through. So just fold them through gently so there's raspberries everywhere. It's kind of like raspberry ripple, isn't it? Now you can just leave it in this and pop it straight in the fridge, but I do want to pop it into a little presentation bowl. I popped the mousse into this pretty pink, almost iridescent bowl. It's so pretty, and you can just enjoy it like that, but I'm just going to pop a few raspberries on top. Just like that. So there you go. My 4-ingredient, no-bake cream cheese dessert with raspberries is done. It makes a creamy, dreamy mousse. It tastes just like a cheesecake, but you saw it was so simple to make. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions and more. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know more desserts you'd like me to share with you. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.